How can you unlock your business's true potential? Since 1976, OGL's goal has been to help UK businesses thrive and grow through innovation. Profit4's ERP software is our latest flagship product. To get a better understanding of how it could benefit your business, let's look at Anderson Electrical's journey. Anderson Electrical is a family-run business that has been supplying cleaning machines and spare parts since the 1960s. They'd outgrown Sage 50 and needed a system more tailored to a wholesale, distribution and service business. James, their director, explained, Sage 50 was an off-the-shelf, easy package that got us from starting up the company to a position where we were doing really well. But everything was just too manual, and we needed something to make the business flow a little better. Profit4 was a good fit for Anderson Electrical because it's specifically designed to meet the needs of wholesalers, distributors and merchants. It allows them to manage their entire business, including stock control, order management and accounting, in one quick, easy-to-use system. Profit4 also automates those manual tasks, such as order processing, that take up so much time. Anderson had previously been frustrated with inaccurate data and a lack of visibility, so they liked that Profit4 provides real-time data, including live automated stock counts, so stock never runs into a negative number. James confirms Profit4 provides us with powerful information, all in one place. It connects all areas of our business to make it more foolproof. Profit4 is designed to help you buy better and sell smarter. Thanks to Profit4, Anderson were able to connect all areas of their business, access reliable data, streamline business operations, automate manual tasks, and have a system that scales with their business. James sums up, last year we had a record year with our turnover up by 40%. We wouldn't have been able to facilitate that growth without Profit4. To see Profit4 in action, watch our online demo today.